This is Jeff at Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction. We're up on a roof out in Strongsville, and I'm going to show you why it's so important to hire a quality company when it comes to your roof, your skylights, your tube lighting, your ventilation system. So we're taking this apart because this skylight's leaking. Roof is not but a couple years old here. So first of all, they used a regular ice and water shield on this, and you could see that they never cleaned the old roof underneath this skylight. I will never understand why there's so many lazy ass roofers out there, but there are. And this falls back on the company that does the roofs on not going up, making sure during the install that it's being installed correctly. When people don't have accountability, they tend to do stuff like this just to get the job done faster. And since everybody is subcontracting out and everybody's working by the square, the faster they move, the more they get paid per hour. And you could look at the roof, you could see how wavy it is, and that's what speed gets you. Speed doesn't do anything for a roof. Neither does caulking these boots like this. There's no reason for this. And then they use the cheapest products possible as far as the ridge vent goes. I mean, look at this chimney flashing. It's terrible. They caulked around every skylight here. There's no reason for that. That's what tins are for. Look at that. They should have replaced this skylight.